Hi guys, so today we are going to see Arduino based fire alarming system. So here we are using Arduino Uno with LCD display, GSM, LEDs, buzzer and flame sensor. So here we are using Arduino as the main brain of our proposed system. So LCD display the flame sensor value on the message like SMS send or not flame value. So we need to insert the SIM into GSM. This is the correct way. So now I am going to switch on the power supply. So no fire occurred, flame value, and then GSM it will signal LED will be blinking like this one. So after it registered on the network, the signal LED will be blinking slowly. So we need to insert, this is the correct way, SIM to GSM. So green LED indicating there is no fire occurred. So now I am going to make a flashlight on flame sensor. It will reduce the flame sensor value. So I am using a flame sensor. So value will be decreasing. So 57 sending. So we receive the message. So this is the message we received. 6:09 p.m. 6:09 p.m. So once again we check. So that's all. Thank you.